Dharamji, I'll request him to do the honors and do the opening of the portal, ticketplease.com. And thereafter, Mr. Ajay Devgan, I request him to buy the first ticket online live of Yamla Pagla Divana.
Jimmy and his team came to me and came up with this idea. There was no reason I would say no, because I don't think there is any other portal in our country which has all of these things put together in one place. I mean, when Jimmy said that when it's entertainment, you have everything here, from buying tickets to knowing about films to reviews to e-commerce and the works. So the idea was very nice, and when I saw the way they were planning to execute it and the plans they had, there was no other choice for me.
This is the place where you can read your reviews, you can read the interviews of the filmmaker, the actors, or any other features, the box office, so that now you don't need to ask anybody or stand in any long queue.
I think it's a great idea to be selling tickets online, which is by ticketplease.com, because I think you save the time, because we are so hectic in a lifestyle like this. You don't want to literally waste your time going and hunting for a film which you want to watch, and taking your time out, coming, traveling, checking out on, waiting in the queue to buy tickets, and then by the end of the day you feel that, oh, you don't even get a ticket because whatever film you wanted to see, it's sold out. So I feel it's a guarantee that if you book your tickets online, you finish the stress of actually going there physically and buying the tickets. You just have to be there like 5 or 10 minutes prior to your film's beginning of the timing or whatever. And I think it's quite a lot of hassle-free jobs.
किसी के पास वक्त नहीं है, ठहरा नहीं है, हर कोई दौड़ रहा है, बिला वजह दौड़ रहा है, उसको जल्दी से टिकट लेके पॉपकॉर्न खाते खाते सिनेमा में घुसना है, ना लड़की का हाथ पकड़ के बैठना और जल्दी से फोन करना, टर्न सुनना. Everything is running. So time has changed now.
It's an amazing portal. It's the most multi-dimensional film portal where you have editorials, reviews, Hollywood. We have e-commerce. We have and especially ticketing. And we will be getting into sports and other things. Right now we're starting with movies, but we'll be having we're trying for IPL. We're trying for other sports. So that's on the cards.
Ticketplease.com is a great opportunity for people to actually go online, buy tickets, and see their movies. I think the timing is very right, because people have now started resorting to internet as a medium which is, and they trust the medium. Earlier लोग डरते थे अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल देने से कि फ्रॉड हो जाएगा, वो सब नहीं होता है. तो जितना लोगों का भरोसा बढ़ता गया है, and people are actually using it as a medium, I think it's a brilliant way for someone to just sit at home and buy a ticket and then just go for the show.
The idea basically about ticketplease.com is it's ticket to entertainment. Anything and everything related to entertainment, you get it there. Be it movie ticketing, be it reviews, features, any kind of editorial content, be it celebrity blogs, which is like really cool, where people can chat with their celebrities and get really interact with them. That will be a very, very unique thing that we have on our portal.
I definitely read a lot of reviews online, because as we really don't get too much of time to actually read the newspapers, so it's always better to read or catch news online. And of course, entertainment is easily available online these days. It's more convenient and it's more faster and it's more like up to date. Yes, so I feel it's a great idea to have entertainment news under one blog.
हर तरफ से आवाज़ तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, पहले प्रोमो से ही कहते हैं कि आवाज़ कल्क नकारा खुदा होती है, तो लगता है देवल पे रहम करम हो गया उसका. यमला पगला दीवाना, अब आप सबकी दुआएं चाहिए.
It's my personal request to all of you guys to go watch Yamla Pagla Divana, not on any pirated DVDs or VCDs, but only in the theatres very close to you.
And book your tickets on ticketplease.com.
Ticketplease.com.